Call Sir Glenn on stage too.
Oh, okay.
Sir Glenn?
Let's go!
Hello, Sir Glenn.
You're a hype man.
I have to set the mood,
Yeah.
kids.
I like your outfit.
Oh, yes. Everyone, halls 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thank you, RJ and Max, by the way.
Thank you.
I appreciate the love. I want everybody to come closer. Dahil malamang, alam nyo na kung anong kasunod. I want everybody from the food booth to come up here. Halls 1, 2. Bakit? Boboto ba tayo? Tapos na! Okay. Hype muna natin. Guys, I want you guys to come closer. You can whip out your phones. You can whip out your recording devices. You can take photos or videos. Kasi eto na po, we're gonna keep the celebration going. Daming upuan. Alam niyo kung bakit ang daming upuan? Kasi ang dami nila. In a very few minutes. Oh my God, thank you. Okay. So we're gonna have a giveaway. Oh my God. Everybody in the audience, para ako si Oprah. I need help. I need help from our Toycon marshals. Kasi para lahat magkaroon. All of you get to have this one. Let's go, Toycon! Let us go! Lapit tayo. Everybody gets to have that. Official merch. And then I'm gonna give this away. Alright? Yung mga nandun sa food booth, we're gonna have some giveaways right now. The cast of the most anticipated movie of the year are here in Toycon 2025. Lapit kayo, lapit! Give chance to others, ha? Give chance to others. Yung mga nasa likod, pwedeng bigyan. Yung mga nasa likod, pwedeng bigyan. Everybody come up here. You guys get to have lanyards from the most anticipated movie of the year. Guys, bigyan natin yun. Yung nasa likod, I want to have those guys. Abutan natin. Anong palabas to? Anong palabas to? Are you guys ready? I don't think you guys are ready. I don't think so. Ayan na, naglabasan yung mga cellphone eh. I love this. By the way, my name is Flash Antonio. This Rayadillo right here is a screen-used Rayadillo from Genera Luna and Goyo. And this is actually owned by Paolo Avellino. So this was given from our friends. Hype natin to. Ladies and gentlemen, making its way to Toycon 2025, I am so honored to present to you the third installment of the Bayaniverse trilogy. Lapit pa po kayo kasi pamimigay ko pa to. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give this away later. Yeah, courtesy of our friends from Pop Life. I'm talking about the movie we've all been waiting for. Pakisigaw sabay-sabay. Isa pa! Louder! We still have a few months left. Buwan na lang po ang inaantay natin for Quezon. Buwan na lang. Okay? But I want you, all of you, to have a special behind-the-scenes look from Quezon. Ladies and gentlemen, turn your attention to the big screen. Please watch the teaser and the making of Quezon.
In Inanunsyo ng TBA Studios na si Echo ang bibida bilang Commonwealth President ng Pilipinas.
Pagkatapos ng 7 taon, balik big screen ang aktor na si Jennifer Rosales sa upcoming biopic na Quezon.
Echo is Quezon.
Bibida si Echo bilang si Pangulong Manuel Quezon sa historical biopic na Quezon.
Makakasama sa pangmalakasang cast ng historical biopic na Quezon ang Game of Thrones actor na si Ian Glenn.
Glenn is part of the cast of the movie Quezon as U.S. Governor General Leonard Wood. Glenn went through a grueling preparation for this role.
Yes, no, just that I already do feel at home and I'm so glad to be joining.
Rolling and action!
I shall miss you all. Enjoy the rest of the shoot.
Negosyo o kalayaan, bayan o sarili, pumili ka!
Walang mga bayani sa bundok na ito. Tayo'y mga sundalo na puno ng pag-ibig. Hindi ng galit.
Grabe! Guys, palakpakan po natin yung teaser. Grabe, goosebumps. From 2015. Sige nga, bago ko paakyatin yung cast, I'm gonna give this away. If anybody can guess the opening date of General Luna. The opening date of General Luna. 2015 to ha. Ay ito tayo magkakasubukan. Try.
September 15.
September, yes. One more try. Sigaw. September 9, 2015. This is yours, my friend. Come here. So guys, back in 2016, dinala na po natin ang General Luna dito sa Toycon. These are the behind the scenes. Kayo po ang unang nakapanood. Gusto nilang sabihin yun. You're the first to see the behind the scenes of Quezon. And back in 2016, nadala na po natin ang General Luna. We are so proud to have them back. Maraming salamat, TBA Studios. Almost 10 years later, I know you guys are excited to meet the cast. So let me call on stage the producer and cast of this epic masterpiece. First up, Miss Therese Malvar as Nadia Hernando. Palakpakan po natin. Hello, Therese. Welcome to Toycon. Tayo. Next is Mr. Jake Macapagal as Manuel Nieto. Let's go! Grabe naka-huddle. Labas nyo yung phones nyo. Kayo unang makakakita. Ang hirap buuhin yan. Welcome to Toycon, Sir Jake. Next up, from the first movie mismo, Ketchup Eusebio as Pedro Anolino. Let's go! Wild. Ito talaga guys. Hype to hype. From the first movie, kinosplay pa to. Aaron Villaflor as Joven Hernando! Grabe! Sir, welcome. Welcome to Toycon. Grabe, naglabasan yung mga cellphones. Sila lang kaya? Hindi. Kasi meron pa po tayo. Ana Abad Santos as Joven Hernando's wife. Welcome po to Toycon, Ana. Palakpakan natin. We also have Chris Villanueva as older Joven Hernando.
Let's go!
Let's go! Welcome to Toycon.
Let's go, Vegas!
Eto na, ladies and gentlemen, the one and only, Karil as Doña Aurora Quezon! Welcome to Toycon, Karil! Welcome to Toycon. I am so proud to call this man a good friend, ang nag-iisang Mon Confiado as President Emilio Aguinaldo. Mabuhay! Yeah! Welcome back since 2016. Welcome back. Next up, we have Benjamin Alves as the young Manuel Quezon. Palakpakan po natin. Hi, Ben. Welcome. Benjamin, welcome to Toycon. Ayan na, naglabasan na yung mga fans. You have a sea of people. Kanina parang chill lang tayo. Diba? Like, we're gonna pull out everybody, pull all the stops. And the moment you've all been waiting for. Mr. President himself, Manuel L. Quezon, ladies and gentlemen, Jericho Rosales! Grabe! May we also invite to the stage Miss Daphne Chusun, the president of TBA Studios and one of the producers. Daph, welcome to Toycon. Kinariyak po talaga namin. Actually, I'm gonna shut up for a bit. I just want the crowd to just absorb, just, like, take in this moment. You can take your photos. Alis muna ako. Kunan nyo lang sila ng picture. Ang hirap buuin yan! napakahirap buuhin yan. It's one of the rare times you can actually get the cast, no? So,
Independencia!
let's go! Woo! So, we're gonna have a little Q&A segment without spoiling anything kasi nakalabas yung phones di ba? So, mahirap nang makot and all that. May we ask, the cast members a little something about the characters that you're playing. Let's go with Therese and then we'll go all the way down to Quezon. Therese, you have the mic.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Therese Malvar and I play the role of Nadia Hernando, ang anak ni Joven Hernando.
May anak na si Joven Hernando!
Akala ko bawal ng spoiler. Akala ko bawal ng spoiler.
Doon pa lang, spoiler na po yung...
Grabe, salamat po sa pagsimula ng spoiler.
So, sino nanay mo?
Oh!
Ay.
Alam niyo ibig sabihin ng Joven? Joven means youth. Kabataan. So, hindi na kayo kabataan, hindi na kayo youth. Oh my God.
Ipapasa na.
Next up,
So,
Jake.
meron ba ditong love life si Joven? Yun ang tanong
Love life.
Dapat siya tanungin ko di ba?
Parang sinuwerte si Kuya Chris doon, no, Papa X. Hindi umabot sa akin yung love and relationship.
Yes, Papa.
Okay, thank you. Ako po si Jake Macapagal. Ako po ang loyal aide de camp ni Mr. Manuel Quezon.
Ay, grabe.
Okay.
Palakpakan natin.
Hello everyone, I'm Ana Abad Santos. I play Carmen Hernando, the wife of...
May asawa na si Joven Hernando!
Asawa na! Sa wakas!
Asawa namin dalawa.
We'll have, next is, we'll have Ketchup. Ketchup. Parang hindi ka nila na-miss. Na-miss ka ba talaga nila?
Ewan ko kung na-miss sila yung Tridor, pero... ako po si Ketchup Eusebio at muli pong magbabalik ang karakter ni Pedro Hanolino sa pangatlong chapter ng Bayaniverse.
Yes, palakpakan na. Talagang mainstay. Like, across. And then we'll have the young, now in love, Aaron Villaflor. Ako baka makita ko niya.
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa lahat. Yes, ako po dito si Joven Hernando. Isa po akong fotograpo, journalist, at ngayon may-ari na ng sinehan dito sa pelikulang Manuel Quezon.
Yun!
Ay, sinihan na kayo!
Asensado. Tsaka may manonood, guys. Pelikula talaga.
Papa X, may asawa na, may sinehan pa.
Grabe.
Saka pa.
Grabe, ang dami ninyong tidbits. May anak, may sinehan. So, medyo hinay-hinay sa spoilers, guys.
Tagpi-tagpi na.
Pelikula ni Joven to, guys. Pelikula ni Joven.
Next up, Sir Chris.
Yes, I'm Chris Villanueva and I'm playing Joven Hernando. Ewan ko, bakit niya kineclaim siya si Joven?
Magkamukha.
Spider-Man meme. Ikaw din yun. Ikaw din yun. Future meme. So, you will play the
I'm
older.
playing him.
Yes, the older Joven Hernando, guys. Please welcome
Okay.
Chris Villanueva.
Meet my family.
Yo! Alaka. Next up, Karil. A little bit of something.
Hello. Dahil nasa Toycon tayo. Avisala?
Yo!
Dati ako ay tagapangalaga ng Brilyante ng Tubig. And syempre, araw-araw, what's up, mga people?
Let's go!
At sa mga nakikinig sa umaga, hello sa mga listener ng Good Times. Sa pagkakataong ito, ako po ay gaganap bilang Doña Aurora Aragon Quezon. So, sa mga mahilig tumawag sa akin ng Madam, huwag niyo po akong tawaging Madam. Tawagin na lang po akong Doña.
Doña!
Calabarzon represent. Tubong Laguna, pero ngayon, Quezon na Quezon.
Yes. Guys, tandaan niyo yung mga tidbits na yan. Baka magpa-quiz ako mamaya, ha? Kung ano yung mga dapat itawag, sinong may something. Next up, welcome back since 2016, my good friend, sir.
Yes, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Mon Confiado at isang malaking karangalan na mapasama muli sa third part ng trilogy ng General Luna. From General Luna to Goyo, ang Batang General. At this time, si Aguinaldo ay kontrobersyal pa rin sa pelikulang to.
Grabe naman. Next up, Sir Ben.
Good afternoon. My name is Benjamin Alves. I play the role of the young Manuel Quezon.
abogado at gobernador ng Tayabas. Good afternoon.
Pati accent
Kaya nga, pati accent.
Jericho Rosales po, Mr. Pogi ng Marikina 1996. Mga taga Marikina, mabuhay kayong lahat. Kung may taga-abroad dito, mabuhay kayo. Kung may taga-Bicol, mabuhay din kayo. Kasi di ko talaga alam kung sino nanay at tatay ko eh. Pero umamin na sila. Anyway, Jericho Rosales po, ginagampanan ko po ang papel ng unang presidente ng Commonwealth, ang Senate President noong unang panahon, Manuel Luis Quezon.
Thank you. Palakpakan natin ulit. Wala naman sigurong spoiler kung history na, di ba? But we always have a little bit of creative, freedom to tell the story. So yung mga kakadating lang po, pwede pa po kayong lumapit. Huwag kayong mahiya. Because now we're gonna have, by the way, congratulations, TBA Studios. Ang galing. More than 10 years of cinematic excellence. Ngayon naman, select members, baka yung mga medyo bago, can you tell us a little something of your experience when you were shooting the film? Was it, ang hirap, intimidating?
Luma na yung iba.
From the youngest in the cast.
Okay.
Para sa mga bagong salta.
For me, sobrang hirap i-share din yung experience kasi super spoiler ng lahat ng scenes na nandun ako. Kaya wala rin po ako sa behind the scenes, ganun siya ka-spoiler. Pero it's really nice to be part of the amazing trilogy of Direk Gerald Tarog and TBA Studios. And it's also nice to be the bunso of the whole cast and crew. Sobrang alagang-alaga po ako dito. Sobrang kulit din po nilang lahat. Pero once magsabi si Direk ng action, ibang-iba talaga yung galawan ng lahat ng mga cast po dito. And I really enjoyed it. I super enjoyed my scenes in particular kasi may mga certain scenes na ad-lib siya.
Yeah.
So yun, magagets nyo once you watch it soon.
Okay. How about Sir Jake?
Ang maikli lang, no? Ang magandang experience dito ay makikita mo talaga na kung ano nakita niyo dyan sa screen na yan, yung mga libo-libo, siguro mga 200 people behind the scene, ito po yung nagpapagalaw ng industriya. Magbibigay pugay po ako sa manggagawang Pilipino. Ito po ang dahilan kung bakit kami nandito. So nakikita natin tungkol sa mga crew, bibigyan namin ng pugay yan. Yan ang take home ko na napakagaling at napaka-loyal ng ating manggagawang Pilipino. Thank you.
Sir Jake. Galing nung message.
Super palakpak ang Team TBA.
We'll have Ma'am Anna.
Aside from the fabulous cast, of course, kasama na yun.
Ma'am Anna.
Sa akin naman po, ang location siguro, location. As in talagang pagpasok ko po ng set, parang nata-time warp ako. I think that's one of the best things for me. Like, I've never worked in Hollywood, pero yun ang feeling ko, like I'm in a real amazing set. Ang galing po. Also the cast, amazing to be working with them. Small lang po yung role ko, pero they made it so beautiful. Maski super konti lang yung, maski 10-second scene, lahat parang it's the most important scene in the film. I think everything was just given weight, and ang ganda po ng camaraderie backstage, kita nyo naman, yung mga kengkoy. So, ang saya, pero once we start filming, everyone is just top. Everyone just put something on the table, so ang saya po.
We want you guys to, thank you Miss Anna, we want you guys to also have that feeling of stepping into their world, which is also our world, only in cinemas. Okay, para maintindihan ninyo na yun yung totoong cinematic experience. You get transported back to the time of the Commonwealth. Sir Chris.
Ako naman, ang experience ko dito, masaya-masaya ako talaga pagka napapasama ako sa pelikula na historical, period, yung may ganito. At bukod doon, itong pelikula na to, para mapasama ka dito, sa biggest film of 2025, ay talagang fulfillment po. So yun. The biggest film of 2021. Tandaan po yun.
Abangan nyo na yan. And we're gonna be there to support. You know, the Toycon family will be there to support. Aaron, your experience.
Oo, sobrang dami. Grabe po ang paglalakbay. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nakilakbay, sumuporta, tumangkilik, nagmahal ng pelikula ng TVA. At muli, nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo sa lahat ng mga... Huwag ka magulo, Ketchup. Ginugulo ni Ketchup. Natawa ako, sorry. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo, like sir, for everything, for all the support, the love. Sorry guys.
Sa sumama sa lakbay na ni
Well, it's been a journey for me, no? And these guys are my family already. At nagpapasalamat ako na for creating this kind of family, for creating this kind of material to showcase what's really facts, you know, happened in the entire history of Philippines, no? Maraming salamat po. At muli, abangan ninyo ang pelikulang Quezon.
Yon. Thank you, Aaron. Ketchup, meron kang mga scenes that really caught the imagination of the viewers, no? Since the first movie, like you would always have those like little scenes na ano. So dito, like any experiences na hindi spoiler, but something na medyo aabangan nila. Wag kagad.
Huwag mo sabihin yan. Sa aming mga bagong nakikisama sa bag. The usual na vibe, kumbaga na energy ng team ng TBA na na-miss namin 10 years ago, yun yung nagpatuloy. Kaya yung camaraderie, yung energy ng lahat, magkakasama, may tapang na nararamdaman dahil I think isa sa mga pinagmamalaki din namin, I'm very proud, aside from dun sa mga locations na pinagsushootingan namin, ay yung team ng camera department din natin at cinematography. So, ma-appreciate niyo po talaga ito sa malalaking...
Yeah, only in cinema.
Sa sinihan talaga natin to. Kaya dun talaga namin ini-encourage siya na ang karamihan sa atin para mas yung full experience sa itong pelikula natin. Tsaka sa atin to kumbaga Pinoy pride natin. Pinoy pride natin na so susuportahan natin. Yun lang po.
Thank you, Ketchup. Etong next question would be for the four of you.
Bakit di kami nakasagot dun sa...
Kasi may bagong question.
Wait lang, kasali kami dun, may sasabihin kami.
Ay, meron siya!
Bago siya!
Ay, bago! Sige.
Tsaka
sakit.
si Kay.
Bagong salta ako Sali naman ako bagong salta Sige na nga, wag na. Magtampo. Gusto mo talaga gusto ko sabihin.
Sige, go.
Hindi, since nandito tayo sa Toycon, tapos dami na nag-cosplay. First of all, there's like 10 years of life within the trilogy. You have General Luna Goyo, which is, by the way, showing in cinemas now. And then you have Quezon.
150.
So, for 150 pesos, you can watch it again. Big screen, big speakers, popcorn and everything. Sama niyo yung mga date niyo, tropa. Anyway, you know when they said Manuel L. Quezon, someone who lived like more than 100 years ago, and it meant for me to wear prosthetics and make heavy makeup, and then hair, kami nila Mon, kami nila Chris, lahat kami. It felt like nagko-cosplay kaming lahat. Every day we were shooting, we were like, I have this nose and the ears and everything, and then we were talking differently. Na talaga namang hindi mo parang papasok yung pagkamatandang tao parang ganun. So every day we were like playing roles talaga na beyond our, imagination na hindi namin na-imagine. Oh my God, we're gonna play these real characters from before with historical value, with so much weight because of our culture, because of why we're shaped as a country, as a Filipino, parang ganyan. So it was really important. Plus, we got, the guy that you saw kanina working alongside that Ian Glenn of Game of Thrones. We were like, oh my God, para kami nasa HBO, di mo maintindihan. But it was so good, like Gerald's, the Daphne, the set. We have green screen. We have, big cameras, long cameras, cranes. We have the best in the country when it comes to, We have crowd. We have hundreds.
Big crowds.
Yeah, hundreds and hundreds of talents. And then, you have all the best equipment, the best talent in the Philippines when it comes to filmmaking. What a dream what a dream to be part of this movie.
How long does it take for you to get into that character? Like the prosthetics?
The first one, to be honest with you, kami ni
3
Mon,
hours.
inabot, tsaka nila Ketchup, inabot kami nila Chris. The first one, 8 hours. The makeup tests was 7 to 8 hours. Tama?
At ilang beses tayo nag-look test.
Oo, nag-look test kami. Until nag-decide kami because of, you know, this group also follows, like, of course, we have the Eddie Garcia law, and we are now, have improved in terms of filmmaking. We only work 16 hours. Sometimes we go over, but it's because, you know, we just love the craft and we just love everything. But never have we felt that we were abused or anything like that. So we were working 2 to 3 hours a day in the makeup room, putting the makeup, and then costume, and then the rest of the day will be acting.
Pwede na ilagay sa IMDb yun.
Dagdagan ko lang.
IMDb si Mon, dalawa IMDb ni Mon.
Yung trivia.
Gusto niyo ng trivia? Alam niyo ba na si Mon Confiado, okay, ay gumanap na sa mahigit 1,000 pelikula?
Yeah!
No, kulang yung palakpak nyo. Mon Confiado, 1,000 plus movies. I will bet you my t-shirt right now. Pag hindi, totoo yan, Mon?
T-shirt.
Alright, because more than over 400 or maybe 1,000 TV guestings. I'm not kidding. This guy has never stopped working. Even during the pandemic, he loves cinema and TV so much. Respect.
Lupet.
Respect.
Saludo.
Bagay na bagay talaga sa Aguinaldo ka eh, kasi na-outlive mo lahat eh.
Hindi, ano yan eh, kasi lagi kong sinasabi nung napalitan si TJ Trinidad. Di ba, alam nyo lahat sa teaser ng Goyo, si TJ Trinidad dapat ang magke-Quezon eh. Pero dahil sa kadahilan ng siya lang ang nakakaalam, si Jericho ang pumasok. Nung first reading namin sa script, sinabi ko na walang ibang pwedeng gumanap ng Quezon kung hindi si Jericho Rosales.
Tama!
Thank you, Mon. Spokesperson.
Nakita niyo naman yung look, di ba? Nag-transform. Naging Quezon, yung accent, yung kanyang accent, pati yung boses. Kuha!
Thank you, Mon.
Grabe, ang galing!
I love you, Mon. Pareho na kami, spokesperson na kami ng isa't isa eh. No, but I swear, TJ was on the set.
Yeah.
He had, you know, of course, meron siyang very good reason why he couldn't do Manuel Quezon. And then when Gerald called me up and said, is it okay that you're going to be, sasaluhin mo yung role? You're not the first choice and everything. I said, that's fine with me. You know, we're actors here. We believe in the project. So let's go. Let's go. 10 years ago, I auditioned kasi for General Luna.
Little trivia.
Oh,
little trivia.
I auditioned for General Luna.
Daming trivia today.
And then he said, can you gain 30 pounds? So that time I was doing a project, I couldn't do it, but they got the best. John Arcilla was just magnificent, General Luna.
Okay.
Si Kay naman, si Kay.
Eto lang.
Si Kay, nag-audition din si Kay ng General Luna. Immediately, hindi pumasa.
Hindi. I think, Mrs. Aguinaldo ba? I think.
Oh my God, yeah, you auditioned also for a different role, yeah.
Iba, hindi ko nakuha. Pero nag-wish lang ako. Sabi ko, parang bakit di nila ako kinakast sa mga historical drama? Tapos tumawag si Daphne. Salamat sa aming super queen producer. Palakpakan naman natin.
Palakpakan natin.
Soon. Too soon. Thank you. Yes, ayan. Yun
Anyway,
lang.
balikan nyo na lang po yung IMDb ni Mon, 1,000 movies.
Sir Ben, I have this question for you. No? This is actually for Ben and Karil. And then Mon and Jericho, if you want to add on to this. What should they look forward to sa movie na to? So hindi plot point. Like, you already gave like production, preparation, prosthetics. Everybody's giving their flowers to each other. Mon showing love to Jericho. Jericho showing love back to Mon. Like, everybody just has that camaraderie. What do they look forward to this movie? Karil, pwede ka mauna, Ben, pwede.
Ano to eh, yung trabaho ng mga nagmamahal sa isang industriya. 10 years of work, sabi nga ni Ben, na sobrang senti nung cast party. You don't understand, Kay. You know, hip-hop po yan sa totoong buhay. You know, it's 10 years for me. I can't go home yet. Sabi ko, yeah, but I have showtime tomorrow. Sabi ko, Ben, hindi ko na kaya makipagpuyatan.
Okay na.
Si Ben po yan. So ito po ay trabaho ng mga taong ibang klase ang apoy sa kanilang damdamin. Hindi lang para sa industriya, sa kulturang Pilipino, pero may pinaglalaban tayong lahat. Di ba mahal nating lahat ang Pilipinas?
Yes. So much yes.
Tama ba ako? Mahal natin ang Pilipinas at iba-iba yung paraan natin para ipakita ito. At I think para sa mga creatives, ito yung best way na mag-iwan ng tatak sa mundo. Ito ang kailangan natin gawin. Bawat isa, napaka-OA ng cast na ito, napaka-passionate, napaka-feel na feel. Kita naman, di ba? May pay pa ako, guys. Sobra kong feel na feel. Nag-aaral po kami ng history kasi mababagrade ko sa history pero talaga I'm trying my best. Meron akong chart, meron akong notes, meron akong mga cheat sheet para lang maalala. Meron akong mga, good times. Meron akong mga love letter para sa aking asawa para hindi rin siya maligaw kung nasan kami sa puntong ito ng script. Kasi pag ganon-ganon kami ng taon, sabi ko, Manuel, meron ka rin mga anak. Bukod sa politika, meron kang family side.
Doon ko nalaman na si Kay method actor pala.
Hindi kasi, di naman. Mahilig lang talaga ako sumulat ng mga liham bilang lumang tao. So I think that is something you can look forward to. Nag-podcast kami during the shoot at bawat tao na nakausap ko, sabi ko, grabe pala yung nag-uumapaw na passion ng bawat isa. I think yun ang matitikman ninyo at malalasap ninyo pag pumunta kayo sa sinihan. Di ba? Mano tayo ng sine sa sinihan. Mag-holding hands kayo ng kung sino man yung i-invite nyo.
Actually, nag-ooze yung passion of the cast to just really tell you how good the production was. Obviously, shout-outs to Direk Gerald Tarog, no, the vision, lahat Palakpakan natin si Direk Gerald, Facebook Live.
Palakpakan din natin yung dalawang passionate na naka-Minecraft dito.
Yeah.
Solid.
Sa ngayon naka-Sims.
May naka-Sims.
Ano yan? Etneb. Sana abot ang etneb mo.
Yeah.
Alala niyo ba yun?
Yes, sir.
Sana abot ang 20 mo.
Ben, how about you? Like, bringing them into the cinemas.
Siguro, what I can say is that we've missed you guys. Yeah, we really missed you
Kaya
guys.
ka pala naging si Quezon. Ben, 20. Oh my God.
Kumaga, we can't wait to show you this product kasi this is the culmination of yun nga, 10 years of the journey. And it's nice to see yung mga dati nanood na ng General Luna, Goyo. We're looking forward to seeing the new generation also watching Quezon. So all we can say is we miss you guys and we can't wait for you to watch it. And being we're in Toycon, we also can't wait to see you guys in costume.
Yes.
Yung mga nagka-cosplay dati sa amin for Goyo, General Luna. We can't wait to come back here na nakadamit lahat ng isang Manuel Quezon, isang Aguinaldo. We can't wait. Even us, we're so excited for you guys to see the trailer. So thank you.
Hindi lang 20 to, 40 na.
Oo nga.
40 na kami.
20 plus 20. Actually, si Sermon, meron ako nabanggit before. Like, remember, when the first Luna movie came out, people were jumping on the memes, like all of the fun stuff, the quotable quotes. Nagkakwentuhan tayo, cosplay is highly encouraged.
Yes.
Tama.
Magsuot kayo, punta kayo
At si Sir Glenn, ang isa sa mga original ng cosplayer ng General Luna. Lunatico!
Sobrang tagal na, 2015.
OG!
I like the...
Full circle moment.
Binata ka pa nun.
Oo. Yes, you're right. I got married in 2016.
Na-in-love ka din parang si Oven.
Si Hoven yung una kong kinosplay.
So, the real lover boy.
Meron kayong binanggit. Game of Thrones. He was also Bruce Wayne in DC's Titans. Just in case you guys didn't know. He was Bruce Wayne. Sadly, wala po siya dito. But, I would like everyone to turn your attention to the big screen. We have a very, very special, kasi Daphne, tatanungin kita nito after.
Sige,
we have a very special message from the one and only Ian Glenn. Yan, note tayo sa side.
Hello, Toycon. My name is Ian Glenn, and I play Governor General Wood in the historical epic Quezon. I invite you all, go to the cinema, take your friends, get everyone, and go and see this movie. It is fantastic.
Grabe.
Thank you!
Everyone, back to your seats.
Thank you, Sir Ian Glenn.
Daphne, I have to bring you up front dito. Dito tayo. Dito tayo sa harap. Guys, you have to turn your attention to Miss Daphne Chusun, the president of TBA Studios. Paano po ninyo nakuha si Sir Jorah Mormont, Ian Glenn to be a part of the cast?
Actually, ang pinakatanong, paano siya umoo sa role na to? So, actually first, he read the script, check yun sa kanya, so okay na siya. Pero hindi pa yon lahat 100%. Chinek niya muna sino director. Chinek din niya muna kung sino ang production house. Yung tatlong yon, na-check niya yung box, nag-yes siya, at 2 beses siya pumunta sa Pilipinas. Una para mag-prep, tapos yung pangalawa para mag-shoot.
Palakpakan naman natin yun, guys. So mamaya, yung mga exam na yan, ilang beses pumunta sa Pilipinas, mga ganun.
Pero sobrang it elevated the production value also of the film. Of course, we have a huge cast dito, kahit sila enough na. Pero meron tayong import na Ian Glenn. Of course, who wouldn't know Sir Jorah Mormont or Dr. Nicholson in Silo?
Sir
So,
Resident Evil din.
Ha?
Resident Evil.
Sa Resident Evil also. So, ang dami din naming natutunan from him. So, we thank Mr. Ian Glenn. I think he's watching kasi may
live stream.
May live stream tayo. So, hi tayo.
So that's probably
Ian, we love you! Sir Ian, hot pa
Gising na
tayo.
siya,
We love you, Ian! Hot pa tayo, let's Sir Ian. Hot pa tayo.
Sorry, walang Sir Ian.
Ayun, ito Facebook Live yan. Tsaka ito, somewhere.
Balik ka dito.
So see you soon. At this point, we're gonna have, kasi mag-wrap up na yung panel, but we want to involve the audience. Like, we want to show the love back. So I'm gonna find Toycon team, I need 6 people. Raise your hands. We're gonna play a game.
Six.
Sama ka na. Sama ka na.
my God, hammer ni Thor.
So that's 3. Go
Gusto
up.
mo yung Minecraft?
Gusto mo ko yung Minecraft? You wanna get the Minecraft?
Hammer ni Thor.
Yung dalawa?
Ito, yung dalawang Minecraft. Saka may hammer ni Thor.
Okay.
Si Thor, may hammer ni Thor. Thor, ikaw pala mismo, Thor. Hindi ka, di sa
Mix yan, mix.
So yung anim lang, anim. We're gonna bring them up to stage.
Bring dalawang Minecraft.
Saka Thor.
Thor.
May Stormtrooper
Ito
wants to go up.
na yung tatlo.
Mas
players ba dapat lahat?
Ito na. Buo na yung tatlo.
Buo na. Sorry, bro.
Si Minecraft na lang.
Sorry, ikaw sana. Meron na daw eh.
Sorry. So, we're gonna... Sino yung isa na kasama ninyo? There was that one guy here. Siya ba yun? Ayan, dito ka, sir. Tapos yung dalawang Minecraft tsaka si Thor. So, isi-split po natin yung cast. We're gonna split the cast. Okay? Magkakaroon tayo ng Team Quezon and Team Aguinaldo. So, Mon, hati ito, hati. Parang basketball, limahan. Sir Mon, I'll have you here. Aaron, Therese. Dito kayo. And then,
Aguinaldo ka.
dito
Team
muna kayo.
Quezon dito sa kabila.
Team Quezon sa kabila. Wait lang. So si Echo, Jericho will have you here. Ben, Sir Jake. Hati muna tayo dito sa kabila.
Anong team?
And then,
Team Quezon and team ano?
Aguinaldo. Nasa Team Aguinaldo ka.
Team Aguinaldo.
Saka si Ketchup.
The original.
Hovens.
Hati tayo dito.
Team Luna. Si
Ketchup dito ka.
Ketchup, Aguinaldo ka, diba?
Hindi, Ketchup is Team Luna.
Si Duff will be a cheerleader.
Kuko-host na lang ako kay Glenn.
Ito muna umpisa. I need
Oh, are you having fun?
Yeah!
Yes! Parang bored na.
Mon,
Hindi pa.
Jack and Poy.
Ay!
Jack and Poy with Echo. Sino mauuna? Jack and Poy. Best of 3. Sabay-sabay kayo sumigaw.
Teka lang, bakit daw dami na lang ka ano?
Pengin po kami ng 3 pong teammates. Maraming Muslim.
Yung tatlo dito, hindi yung...
Parang
Oy,
mismatch
bigay
nga,
lahat
mismatch.
Quezon. May Aguinaldo na.
Sayang, may Stormtrooper pa doon, ah.
Yan, para pantay.
Yan, dito kayo.
Mismatch kanina.
Team Aguinaldo po tayo.
Okay.
So So, bato-bato pick, best of 3. Kahit bato-bato pick
Quezon tayo, guys! Quezon! 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 Quezon!
Bato-bato pick. Okay, 1-0. Best of 3 yan. Bato-bato pick.
Kabyong, marunong ka ba?
Okay, 1-all. Oh, last one. Pick. Okay, you go.
Isa
Best
pa.
of 3. Tama.
Hindi, 2 pala.
Panalo ka na. Best of 3 na eh.
Pick.
Panalo. Okay. So, ito kayo. They will go first. Makinig. Ito ang rules. Charades to. Meron kayong huhulaan. Isa lang ang magpapahula. So, usap kayo. You have 30 seconds to talk to the team. Isa lang ang magpapahula. Charades to, ha. Everybody can guess. So, sino yung English taga?
Ito
Ikaw.
pa yung pinaka-best actor namin.
Okay. Ready
May
na kayo?
timer tayo, di ba?
So, kayo mauna. May timer. May timer.
Hindi, dapat kasama sila.
Kasama sila.
Sila dapat.
Pero ikaw yung actor.
Ikaw yung actor. Dapat mahula ka
mahula.
nila.
Alright.
Paki-explain, first time po niya yung charade. Kasi
Gusto niyo
taga-1935
mag-charades?
siya.
Gusto niyo kayo mag-ano?
Bawal.
2 minutes.
Tamang hula lang.
2 minutes. Ito yung timer.
Okay.
2 minutes. I will show you a list of words.
Okay.
English, Tagalog. Pwede mo pahula. Bawal ang... so you can give them syllables. First syllable, second
Pwede
syllable.
magdaya?
Wag.
Sige.
Bawal!
Act it out na lang. Act it out na lang.
Okay, so ito siya.
Act it out na lang para hindi na mahirapan
Pag
yung mga
hindi nila nahulaan, go on to the next. Sabihin
Sige.
mo na next. Kasi first team to get 3 points will win. First team to get 3 points.
First to get 3 points.
Okay. Teka lang, tabi natin to.
We will win what?
We'll
Toys?
win
what?
Toys. Toys.
I will win this bonfire.
Team Quezon.
Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan.
Ready na tayo?
1 word, 2 words.
So, ito yung words.
Okay. 1
Ito,
word.
seryoso si
English,
Kay, guys.
Tagalog.
Seryoso si Aurora.
2 minutes,
Wala yan,
standby.
Wala.
Ito yung timer.
Gusto
Ito yung timer,
manalo,
ito yung timer.
gusto manalo ni Aurora.
You can jumble the order. Una sila eh.
Una sila. Wala.
Okay, okay. Iba-iba
May
po.
sarili tayong
Okay.
listahan.
You got it.
Okay, go.
Timer starts now.
Lupang inirang. Flag ceremony. Crowd.
Announcement,
Ako.
MC, narration.
Quezon. English, Tagalog. Sila pa. Viewer.
Nagsasalita yung Minecraft.
Student. May tinatak siya. May tinatak.
Bumoboto.
Pwede next.
Botante.
Vote. Voting.
Election.
Election.
One.
Ikaw. Quezon.
Ay,
Manuel.
Quezon.
Richard.
Quezon. Jericho. Okay.
Good. 2.
People.
Botante.
Loyal. Loyal. Filipino.
Grabe. Walang word. No word.
Quezon.
Wala lang oras!
Quezon.
Meron pa.
Quezon.
Marami
All 5. All 5. Sige.
All 5.
Time stop.
Time's up!
55 seconds may naiwan. 55 seconds. Sino?
Wala pong
They got
kadaya
3 points ba?
Galing.
Naku,
Ano nila? 5.
Galing,
Kayo,
best
may
actor.
tie break.
Best actor talaga.
Therese yan. Ang manghuhula.
Therese. Ito yung list mo. Layo ka. Walang steal.
Hala, director
No bearing
yan.
na yun. Sila manghuhula.
Bunso, take it away.
Bakit yung director ang kinuha nyo?
Charades.
Director yan,
English,
guys.
Tagalog, you acted out. Okay? Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Grabe competitive.
Tagalog.
Ako, mahirap.
Audience.
Movie. Pelikula. Sine.
Sinehan.
2 words.
Pamaypay.
Maniko.
Doña Aurora.
Maria Clara.
Maria Clara.
Doña Aurora. Doña Aurora.
Doña Isabel.
Quezon.
Pamaypay.
Aling ni Misay. Clap for Misay. Cedula. Ticket. Resibo.
20.
20. Teach me how to doggy.
Meaning.
Ay, panalo na tayo!
Ginado!
So, eto. Time out. Time
Magaling ni
out.
Bunso.
Time's up!
Meron tayong
Tris.
tabla.
Tabla lang.
Meron tayong tie break.
Tiebreaker.
Wala.
Grabe yung competitive spirit ng mga to. Asan na yun?
Nasa isa.
Yeah, okay lang yan. Okay lang.
Dito kasagot yung Minecraft eh.
Okay,
Alam ko na dahil tabla, di ba?
Tabla.
Oh, so paramihan na lang ng push-ups.
Lugi kami, hindi sila makasagot.
So,
iuwi nyo
Eh,
daw
kasi
yung
naman
Minecraft.
yung hindi nagsasalita yung mga kasama namin. Ano ba to?
Walang...
Eko, ano to?
Lugi kami.
Okay, last one. You have 3. If tatlo lang to.
Meron ulit. Ikaw na.
1 minute.
No.
We're
Okay,
resetting.
No.
Everybody listen. We're resetting the timer to 1 minute. Tig-tatlo lang kayo dito. If they get the first 3, tapos, then you. Pabilisan lang. English, Tagalog, pwede. Live yun. First word. Basta hindi mo pwedeng sabihin.
Charade. Classic charade.
Okay.
Go, Jake! Go, Jake!
3, 2, 1.
One word. 2 syllables.
Go. Eko.
President.
Pass. History.
Governor. Senate.
Lawyer. Sounds like. Bote. Lasing.
Alcoholic.
Pwedeng next. Pwede ka mag-next.
Tequila. Beer. 2 words.
Second. Ayan.
You can just act it. Go lang. Mahaba.
Mo lang.
6.
Just act it.
20
Just act
seconds.
it.
Last one.
Act it.
Joven Hernando.
Joven.
Wala.
We lost.
Qualify.
Joven Hernando.
So, okay. So,
It's
okay
okay
lang.
po.
Reset. Time out.
It's okay.
You only
It's okay,
need to
Kuya
get
Jake.
1. You only need to get 1 point. Timer reset to 1 minute. Ha? Okay.
Reset 1 minute.
Okay na. Isa lang makuha ninyo. Tapos na to.
Correct. Isa lang.
Isa lang kailangan ninyo.
Okay.
Ito yung
Let's
tatlo.
go. Okay. Mag-share tayo ng...
Timer starts now.
Tagalog, English.
Sino yung una?
Tao! Isang word! Ano to?
Tagalog?
2 syllables.
Sounds like Quezon.
Quezon.
Sir Ian! Gerald Tarot! Quezon! Toyko!
Tinapos na. Palakpakan natin, guys. Mamaya na yung prizes. But we would like to have the cast to invite.
Yes, bigyan natin ng mga prizes sa
Prizes
ating mga
natin.
kasama. Thank you very much.
Dito po ang prizes sa baba. Dito tayo sa baba.
Thank you.
Salamat, guys. Thank you guys for
Dito po.
participating.
Stage
Okay, we have to
left.
wrap it up. Can we invite everyone?
We'll have to bring the picture. We'd like to bring all the cast to
And then
invite
invite
everyone. Tapos
everyone.
Groovy. Sir, dito na tayo. We'll
Terry
have to...
Guys, thank you guys for coming. Thank you for sharing.
Asan yung premyo?
Maraming.
Yung premyo.
Group shot muna with our Minecraft.
Thank you so much.
Wala na.
We'd like to ask the cast to invite everyone to watch Quezon. Kailan ba to? I'll give you the mic. Ayan, ito po.
Oh, thank you so much. Quezon, from TBA Films. Nabubulol na ako. Hindi ko pa matanggap yung pagkatalo namin. Pero...
Sorry.
Pero kung kay Quezon, you can never lose with Quezon. Anyway, we'll see you guys in October this year. Please support our movie.
Ay, October na yan!
Toycon, we love you guys. Thank you.
October na!
We're so bitin. Super nice to be here. Thank you for...
Sa cinema lang yan, ha? Hindi yan lalabas sa streaming. Kaya dapat sa October, sama-sama tayo sa sinihan natin. Panonoorin ang Quezon.
Sa sinihan po, sa sinihan.
Maraming salamat, Presidente Aguinaldo.
Etneb.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo. Nararamdaman namin yung inyong suporta. Maraming salamat. Please share the trailer once it's out.
Thank you guys.
Thank you for being so excited.
Viva Quezon!
Pa-picture!
Meron pa tayo. We're gonna give you
Picture tayo.
some gifts
20.
from Toycon.
40 na kayo.
Guys, teka, meron pa tayong
Pwede ba tayo dito picture?
Meron po tayong gifts from Toycon. We'd like to distribute this. Guys, we can move all the way back para kita yung crowd. Maraming salamat po for gracing Toycon.
Glenn, sama ka.
Sama ako.
Thank you, Toycon!
Mga pabigay po for Toycon. Sino pang wala? Si Sir Chris, meron na. Si Echo, wala pa yata. Everybody, raise your hands. Taas ang kamay. Kita sa likod.
Independencia!
1, 2, 3. Quezon!
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 Edep!
Edep!
So naabot ang 20. Sana sa sinihan.
Pasok!
Sinihan
One more!
Official!
Smile, everyone! Say Quezon! Quezon!
Maraming salamat po!
Maraming salamat po, guys. Again, we love you
Nagre-request
so
po
much.
si Jericho
Thank you for the love and
Rosales
support.
ng picture. Everybody smile.
Meron pa po kaming ibibigay from Pop Life Global.
Dito pa tayo.
And Mind Style. Guys, we have Gunter up the stage. Everybody
Thank
gets
you!
to
Oh my God!
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Toycon, for providing this thing.
Aaron, meron ka pang
pasalubong. Salamat po.
Grabe.
Thank you!
Picture tayo si Echo.
Oh my God! It's a Reed Barrera
Salamat, thank you.
Collectible. Thank
Toycon,
you!
maraming salamat po. To all the supporters
Thank you!
of TBA, maraming salamat. Grabe.
We need to have another photo with this one, I think. Picture ulit! Picture! Balik sa pwesto!
Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Toycon. Thank you. Hi to Quinn.
Thank you, Toycon.
Hi, Jen
Salamat
Mandela. Hi to my friends from Malaysia.
Picture, one more
Makasi.
picture. Kuya Bench. Kuya Bench.
Cholo, you have to be here. Cholo, jump in. MD,
Thank
Gunter,
you so much.
please join. MD Young, you should join. MD should join. Everybody look there. Big smiles. Palakihan ng pasalubong. Oh, let's bring them up on stage. Reen is here. Let's go!
Oh my God!
Siya yung creator. Ladies and gentlemen, up on stage.
We're a fan. Thank you so
Reen
much.
Barrera.
Can you sign our boxes, please?
Tama ka.
Can you sign our boxes, please?
Big smiles, walang pipikit. For Toycon, ito kay Az. One more. Oh, wala na. Everybody's having it signed. So yan, signing, maraming salamat. Toycon, first look behind the scenes of Quezon in cinemas October 2025. Kayo ang unang nakakita. At kayo ang may unang photos of the cast. Maraming salamat. Stay tuned for our next segment. Grabe, ang saya. Pipila si Daph. There's also a lot of love from the Quezon cast kay Reen Barrera. Grabe, sila ay pumila kay Reen. Are you so happy? Masaya
Super,
kami.
super
Super
grabe.
happy.
And thank you again for projecting Juven Hernando.
Salamat.
By your costume today.
Sa ano ulit? Pag nag-premiere. Yes!
Oo naman.
Yes, sa premiere.
Grabe, taga-subaybay natin siya. Sobra.
Tumagal na talaga ako
Sobra.
dito kasi nag-asawa. Aaron, papirma ka daw doon. Sir Jake, thank you. Green, ito pa, mga hindi pa daw napirmahan. Thank you, everyone. Maraming salamat, TBA Studios. Sobrang salamat po, sila M, si Jules, ayan, nandyan si Gerald. And syempre, the vision of Gerald Tarog. Ayan, ang wild. Ang saya sa toy ko, di ba? Wild. This is like one of the wildest stage segments I've ever seen. Sa totoo lang. So we'll have to escort the cast and yung mga mics, ibabalik ko pala, baka may maiwan ako. Baka kulangan ako ng mic. Thank you, everyone. Dito natin, papirmahan natin kay Reen dito sa VIP area. Ayan, Mike. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Sermon, ang mga pasalubong, malaking iuuwi, exclusive, Reen Barrera, Vinyl on Vinyl, Sir Chris, sa inyong pagbisita sa ToyCon, Therese. Ang saya, Miss Ana. Sana natuwa. Oh my God, thank you. That's fine, thank you so much. Meron din po akong take home. Yeah, I'll go down so and have it signed. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll turn the mic over to RJ and Max. Wala pa. Oh, Ambox. So we have Ambox. So, ano lang kami, bababa lang kami ng stage. Okay, papapirma ako.